Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, something inside you keeps pulling you back? You set goals, make plans, get motivated, and yet, somehow, you fall into the same patterns again. That's not your fault. It's your subconscious mind, the invisible operating system running 95% of your life. And the truth is, you can't change your life until you reprogram your mind. Today, I'll show you how to reprogram your subconscious in just 7 days, using the same rhythm that exists in nature. The Power of 7. Chapter 1. The Hidden Power Running Your Life. Your subconscious mind is like the soil of your life. Whatever you plant there grows automatically. Every thought you repeat becomes a seed. Every emotion becomes water, and every belief becomes sunlight. If you keep telling yourself, "I can't," your subconscious accepts it as truth. If you start saying, it begins to build new neural pathways. Science proves this. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It believes what you feed it. That means your outer world is just a reflection of your inner programming. Chapter 2. The Science of 7-Day Reprogramming. Psychologists call it neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself through repetition. Here's the key. It takes 7 days of consistent repetition to begin building new patterns. Why 7? Because your brain operates in weekly rhythm cycles. The same rhythm behind 7 days in a week, 7 musical notes, and 7 colors of light. This rhythm is nature's reset button, and when you align your mind with it, transformation becomes effortless. So here's how you'll do it. For the next 7 days, you'll consciously install a new belief system, one that matches the life you truly want. Chapter 3. The 7-Day Mind Reprogramming Plan. Day 1. Awareness. Notice the automatic thoughts that run your life. Catch them. Write down the beliefs that hold you back. I'm not good enough. I don't deserve success. It's too late. Awareness is the first step to freedom. Day 2. Replace the code. Now, the opposite of every limiting belief. I am capable. I am worthy. I am in control. Say them out loud. Your voice programs your brain faster than your thoughts alone. Day 3. Visualization. See your new identity in your mind. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living that life confidently, powerfully, peacefully. The subconscious speaks in pictures, not words. Day 4. Emotion. Add emotion to your visualization. Feel the success before it happens. Emotion is the electricity that powers manifestation. Day 5. Action alignment. Take one real-world action that matches your new identity. Even if it's small, it signals to your brain that change is happening. Action is proof. Day 6. Silence and reflection. Spend 10 minutes in silence. No music. No scrolling. Let the new patterns settle in. You're teaching your subconscious to stay calm and focused. Day 7. Identity lock-in. Speak your new identity out loud. I am no longer who I was 7 days ago. Because you're not. You have planted new seeds, built new neural connections, and opened a new chapter. Chapter 4. The Power of Belief. Remember this. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you believe. And your beliefs are written in your subconscious mind. Change them, and your entire world shifts. When you start believing you are powerful, your energy changes. When your energy changes, your reality does too. That's why the greatest minds from Napoleon Hill to Joe Dispenza all say the same thing. Your mind is the workshop of your destiny. Chapter 5. The 7-Day Challenge. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, reprogram one belief, just one. Every morning and night, repeat it. Visualize it. Feel it. Live it. Because every thought repeated for 7 days becomes a habit of the mind, and your habits become your reality. Conclusion. Final message. The life you dream of isn't waiting for the right time, it's waiting for the right mindset. You don't need years to change. You just need 7 days of total commitment. Every week, you have a new chance to recreate yourself. Every 7 days, you can press reset on your identity. The power of 7 is not magic. It's the rhythm of creation, the pulse of transformation. So, are you ready? Your next 7 days can change everything. This is how you reprogram your subconscious mind and rewrite your destiny.